day 2 of Simbang Gabi because sorry I didn't post yesterday but I wore a fit that is pink. So because the color theme is pink, now it's red, so I color red. So let me see you if we're walking to the church. When I'm going to the church, okay? Goodbye. And we're walking to that church. Okay. And this is my kasama ko. Si Kauden. Tapos ito. Uy, magpakita kasi kayo mga ano nyo. She's so scared. Wala na nga. And I'm gonna see you when we're at the church. Okay? We're here. Wait lang guys. I mean, for those who is English speakers, we're here at church.
O yan, kaya ayaw ko ito sabi eh. Binalaga.
Yay! And we're here. Again. Slay Beach. Diba? Oh, hindi pa tayo maglilista. And let me see if the church starts. And we're here sitting. Later it's gonna start. So I cannot record this, but later it will start. So this is the last clip for now, and I will see you when it ends. Okay, bye. We're eating. So okay na yan ah. It's now okay na. Uy!
Meron pa tayong chance.
Mga agaw sila. Gusto mo na lahat.
Ba yun? Uy, hindi pa ulo.
Ano ba yun? Mga sa'yo ka lang?
Ayoko makakatago.
Wait lang kasi Marley, umayos kayo. Nasa simbahan kayo ah. Si, di ba?
Dapat yung pagkain.
Hoy, pingi naman.